This movie is going to talk about the Japanese rising sun flag. Do you know what the rising sun flag is? It is a flag with red sun rays that stretch it from the red circle in the middle, which symbolizes the rising sun. Do you know the meaning of this flag? To know it, we have to know about its history first. In 1870, the rising sun flag with 16 rays was started to be used as the flag of the Imperial Japanese Army. In 1889, similarly designed flag was adopted as symbol of the Japanese flagship too. After that, Japan adopted rising sun flag with 8 sun rays as their whole army flag. So the rising sun flag became a symbol of the Japanese military. But in 1945, Japan was defeated at World War II and it prohibited the use of the rising sun flag. However, Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force reuses the rising sun flag with 16 sun rays in 1954, and nowadays Japan Ground Self-Defense Force uses the rising sun flag with 8 rays again. Because this flag was used during the World War II and colonial era, it has been the symbol of Japan's militarism and imperialism. Especially Northeastern Asian countries like China, Korea, Thailand, and countries located in the Indochina Peninsula completely prohibit the use of the rising sun flag design.
The rising sun flag has a historic event meaning in the same as above. This flag is not permitted emotionally in Korea, and something that has a like shape brings the controversy easily. However, there are many people who consider the rising sun flag as design. They give the rising sun flag meaning as design, and design clothes, bags, and accessories using this flag. Especially, many entertainers appear on television wearing clothes designed by using this flag. Members of famous idol group Big Bang appear on television music show wearing that clothes. Also, members of girl group Girls' Day wear that clothes printed this flag. Above this, the rising sun flag makes an appearance on many TV shows. Furthermore, we don't know about exact meaning of the rising sun flag. This flag is used in many situations. For example, in 60s the election of member for the National Assembly, candidate of this election used the rising sun flag, making advertisement poster. Also, famous shoes company Nike designs shoes by using this flag's shape. This is not problem when the rising sun flag is seen as a simple design. Only using this flag, they can make more vivid, special, creative, and originative product. Everybody apologize their carelessness when this controversy appear.
Then is it okay to use this design? Someone uses the rising sun flag, insisting that using this flag should be accepted by the freedom of expression. Well, as they insist, if this figure means just the art to express the rising sun, it may look beautiful. If this figure is just the Japanese flag, it may be okay. However, the figure is the symbol of the ignominious history that Japan waged a horrible war. Also, it is a means to support the blamable history. It means that Japan doesn't reflect on their faults. Therefore, using the rising sun flag design can advocate that faults. History is not just past. We have an obligation not to make a fault again. To do for it, we need to reflect on history. It is required for not only Japan, but also every country. We all know that war of aggression is bad and immoral. We should not acquiesce to the process of glorifying the invasion. Whether someone uses this figure or not is a personal choice. But what is clear is that it requires the behavior of our historical consciousness.